In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text on CapCut Mobile using your iPhone. Whether you're new to video editing or looking to add a bit of flair to your projects, adding text can be a great way to communicate your message clearly. Let's dive into this simple process and get you started on enhancing your videos. First, you'll want to open the CapCut app on your iPhone and select the project you're working on. After launching CapCut, you'll see a list of your current projects. Tap on the one you'd like to edit. If you haven't started a project yet, don't worry. You can simply create a new one by selecting the appropriate options on the screen. Once your project is open, look at the bottom of your screen. You should see a toolbar with several options. Here, you want to tap on Text. This will bring up options specifically for adding and customizing text within your video projects. Next, you'll see an option that says Add Text. Tap on it and a typing interface will appear. Now this is where your creativity comes to life. Simply type in the words or phrases you want to include in your video. Whether it's a catchy title, informative subtitle, or a credit, this feature allows you to clearly communicate your message to your audience. After you've entered your text, it's time to make it stand out. CapCut offers a variety of customization options to get your text looking just the way you want. Play around with the font choices to find one that suits your video's style. Adjust the size to ensure your text is easily readable, but not so large that it overwhelms the screen. You can also experiment with color and style options to make your text pop or blend in with the overall theme of your video. Once you're happy with how your text looks, you need to decide when it should appear in your video. On your screen, there's a timeline at the bottom. Here, you'll see a layer representing your text. Simply drag this text layer along the timeline to choose the exact moment you want your text to appear in the video. This step allows for precision in timing, which can be especially useful for syncing text with audio or other visual elements. After you've perfected the text placement and are satisfied with your edits, it's time to export your video. Look for the export button, usually found in an easy to access place within the app, and tap on it. This will finalize your project and save it to your gallery, ready for sharing with the world. And there you have it. You've successfully added text to your video project using CapCut Mobile on your iPhone. Whether sharing with friends, family, or a wider audience, you've now added a professional touch that helps convey your message more effectively. Keep creating and exploring new features to elevate your videos even further.